You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I'm getting prove by found and without any doubt, I'm a me happy I don't, and you go feed the cup, I never feed.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So I'm here, fresh face, yeah, no makeup. Yeah, so today I'm doing a haul for you guys. As I said, you know, I'm coming back with different videos and stuff for you guys. So I'm here with a active wear Miami style, hot Miami styles haul for you guys. I have like 6 different sets, or 6 different pieces, I believe. Well, 5 sets, 1 leggings on its own. So that's what I have for you guys today. You know, I got suggestions like you want chit chat, you want hauls, you want chit chat / girl chat / hauls, makeup videos and stuff like that. So I actually have on the first set from Hot Miami Styles today, the Turquoise Racerback butt lifting set. And so this is how it looks. It's a size small, and it has, you know, the nice detailing that's trending on the leggings, that butt lifting detail. As you can see in the back here, it says Hot Miami Styles. And at first I was like, is this inside out? But then I realized that's how it's meant to be worn. So yeah, that's how it actually looks. The top, it's size small, as I said, but the top feels a little big to me. But you can adjust it. It has like the adjustable things in the back here that makes it, you know, easier to adjust and stuff, but it's still a little like loose, and it's padded, so you can actually remove the pads if you wish. But I really love the color. Like, I know it's simple, right, but it's cute. And for me, I love simple, cute, and still trendy. When I'm going to the gym, you guys know I love a good gym fit. You know, I'm very consistent with the gym as well, so I always get, like, you know, requests here and there to do gym content over here, but I'm just not sure if you guys would really watch it. So that's why I never put much effort into it. I did have a couple gym videos in the past, but I didn't stay consistent on it. What I'll do is incorporate my gym sessions over on my vlog channel, so you guys can watch it, or like when I go to the gym over there. I don't know if you want like a dedicated gym videos, so I never really done those. But if, you know, like I get a lot of requests for it, then it's something that I would definitely do for you guys, because I go to the gym at least 4 times a week. So yeah, it's very, listen, a reason why I decided to go with Hot Miami Styles to start off this activewear haul segment is, or my haul in general, I decided that, you know, I wanted some new activewear. Hot Miami Styles, like, they have really good quality. So for like, I've actually been rocking with Hot Miami Styles for years now, okay, years. And one thing I can tell you about them is that they always have, like, you know, that sturdy kind of material you're looking for. It doesn't feel cheap, it's durable. I feel like you're getting your money's worth. They're a little pricey, like set retails for $49 US. So yeah, but you're getting your money's worth. Like, I have a couple leggings from them already, and they are so good. They are 100% squat proof. They're not thin, you're not seeing through it. It's really nice, so I love it, and it's very nice and form-fitting at the same time. I want you guys to go ahead and rate each piece down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about these pieces. As I said, they're cute and comfy, but you know, you can like do your moves freely in them. Like, they're really nice. So it's the first time I'm actually getting full-on sets from them. Usually I just get leggings. So, you know. Alright, so I'm back. But alright, I didn't change to another set. So, you know, let me just get over it and show you guys the leggings that I bought on its own. This is gonna come as a set. Now let me tell you, you see this leggings right here? It's like a leggings and a waist trainer in one. Like, it's super form fitting. This is their navy blue ultra butt lifting leggings, high waist leggings. All right, yeah, so it's like this material right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've never, guys, you know, I've been going to the gym for years, right? Let me tell you now, you see this, I have it in brown. That's the only other color I have it in. I believe I got it in green too, but the one that I got was too small, so I had to give it away. I believe there was a sale on this time around, but this is $39. This retails for $39, right? And I tell you, it is worth it. It's super strong. I've had a lot of leggings that come off like this with the first and second wear, and then once you keep on washing it and washing it, it just stretch out. The quality just gone. Not with this. And this is why I went ahead and I got another one, because the brown one, I've tested it already. Like, I've worn it multiple times, and every time I wear it, people ask me like, oh, and it's really good on the sweat. Like, it's, you see the sweat, but it's not as bad like as a regular leggings. Like, it's a nice sweat-proof material. Like, so whenever I wear it to the gym and I post up on my fitness page, people be like, oh, where you got this leggings from? It's Hot Miami Styles is written in the back of this one as well. And as I said, it's butt lifting, so you see the details here. See the details there in the back, and I love it. Honestly, I couldn't get any other color. I wanted other colors, but they didn't have like a wide variety where that I was concerned. I think I already had a brown. They had like a nude, and I wouldn't want a nude since I already have a brown, and I saw this, so I just got this. But I really wanted more. That's how much I love it. And so I just ended up getting the blue, navy blue, and it is really cute. It's really cute. So I know it comes out so simple, but it's comfortable at the same time, and you just feel like, you know, you're ready for your workout. And trust me, the quality is, I know I sound like a scratch CD, but we keep it. It's like the quality of these workout clothes are really good, and that's why I keep on going back to Hot Miami Style, because even like with a lot of regular clothes that I get from Hot Miami Styles, the quality on them, they're really good just the same. So, you know, it's a win-win. It's sometimes for me, it's not just about the style, because I have a lot of stylish gym wear, but sometimes I end up not wearing them like all the time because it's just not given with the quality. The waist gets stretched out, it get washed out, you know, easy to tear, you see through it easy, and I'm like, I can't. So yeah, that's it for my second piece. This one is the rose padded butt lifting set. So this is kind of, in terms of style, kind of similar to the turquoise one. Only thing, it doesn't have like the detailing around the butt area here, but it does have Hot Miami Styles listed in the back, just like the others. So that's how it looks. It's very simple, very minimalistic. You know, if you're that type of girl who don't like too much going on with your gym fit or whatever, this is really nice. Again, the material is on 10. So this, unlike the ultra high-waisted butt lifting one that I just tried on, which was the navy blue one. I'm sorry guys, it's raining, so you're hearing the thunder, but unlike that one, the material on this isn't as, but it's still very strong. It feels very lasting. It's thick, but it's not like overly thick, but it feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel like thin and kind of like it's gonna wear out anytime soon. So I love that. Again, this is padded and it's very minimalistic, the bra portion, and it does have the adjustable straps. So again, another really nice one. This one is a little bit more calm, on the calm side. As I said, it really doesn't have a lot of details going on, but it does look good. It feels good. It's not itchy. Material feels good on your skin. So again, that's a winner. This set, so all the sets retail for $49, and like the leggings on its own that I showed you was like $39. So yeah, that's how. And it goes, oh, by the way, all of these they go all the way down to my ankles, and you know, they have that little scrunch effect, which I love. You know, I mean, if it's all stretched, I don't mind either, but you know, it gives a little razzle dazzle to the look. And yeah, so this one is the long sleeve, black padded long sleeve lace up back scrunch butt leggings 2-piece set. Yeah, I know that's pretty long. This one got style. So in the front, it seems, well, here has like, you know, a scrunched up part, like it's gathered, and you can tighten a bow and stuff and adjust it as tight as you want, or you could make it looser. You could just give it like one knot and totally leave it down like I'm doing there, and it could give you more of like a V kind of illusion, like subtle, not too heavy. And then this is padded. As I said, it's a long sleeve. I don't wear a lot of long sleeves to the gym, but because it's hot, okay, so sometimes I really can't deal with, you know, so much fabric on my skin, but like, so it's like that. But like in the back now, the leggings is scrunched just like the others. It has hot Miami styles on it, and the back of the top has a lot of style, so that really attracted me to getting this one. So the material on this one is like a matte kind of vibe, but it's strong. It's like definitely has spandex and it's very stretchy. You can move and do as much as you want, as much as you please, because after all, that's what it's made for, right? So you don't feel restricted to movement at all. Feels really good, and it goes all the way down to the ankles just like the others. And yeah, that's how we're looking. This is a stylish one. I definitely wear this with white sneakers or black sneakers. Like, I love wearing white sneakers to the gym. I feel like I prefer a good white sneakers with my gym fits over a black one, even though I wore a black one for a very long time. But I feel like just have multiple options, because a nice red would pop this as well. So it all depends on you and how much you like to dress up for the gym. So yeah, so oh, this is just, it's like really long. The sleeve is like really long. Doesn't have the holes, which I really don't mind, because I have a lot of fits like gym gears where I have like long sleeves, and I said I don't like wearing too much long sleeve, and if I do, I don't end up using these portions, because like if I go to use the bathroom or something, it's annoying to keep on taking it off and then putting it back on, so I don't usually use them. Sometimes I'll even scrunch up the sleeve because it gets so hot. But that's it for outfit number 4. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you rate this one in the comments. Let's move on to the next. So I'm back with this seamless butt lifting set. So this is another long sleeve that I got. So this is how it looks. It's like a nice purple, and it does, oh, it's seamless as well. Did I just say that? It has like little lines in it and stuff, like little detailings that I really like. And it is like a lot of coverage for the most part. Again, this is very much like the navy blue one that I got, like with the ultra kind of material, like that very, you know, that tight material there, but you can still move freely at the same time. So I do love that. So this is how it looks. Oh, it has these detailings, this detailing here at the back for the butt section, and it scrunches up. Again, it is labeled hot Miami styles in the back. That's like their thing to do. The back of the top doesn't have any cutouts or anything. That's pretty much how it looks. So yeah, it does have like, it does have the scrunched effect in here, like before you try it on, and so that's what, you know, adds to the butt lifting look. So yeah, this is how it looks. It goes all the way down to my ankles. It's way more form-fitting like than the previous set. It doesn't leave like a lot of scrunch at the ankle portion, but it like feels comfortable. You know, it's form-fitting, but it doesn't like suffocating or anything. It's very easy to move around in and, you know, do all your stuff. So, you know, squat, lunge, jump, abs, everything. So it's another comfy one, but again, very, very strong. Like the material feels very strong, very durable. 10 out of 10. Would recommend to a friend. Yeah, because that's just how it feels. And this material here, I don't know if you understand. Yeah, you see, like it has this little grainy kind of effect. It looks really nice. I like that. I really like that a lot. So that kind of contributed to me getting it. Oh, this one is not padded, but it does have like a scrunchy kind of, it's not scrunch, but it does have like a line, or is it? Yeah, it's a little scrunch here in the front. So that's how that looks, but this is not padded at all with the top. And that's how this one is. Let me know how much you rate this in the comment section. So this is the final set. This is the Gray Marl Racerback butt lifting set. So the look of this material is similar to the one I just had on. It's, you know, ruffled here in the middle, has gathers. It's sleeveless. I really love the color. Again, it's like that seedy look, so I like that. It is padded. This one is padded, and this is how the back looks. That's the back, and again it's the same look with the Hot Miami Style is listed here too, and for a couple of the others Hot Miami Style was listed. So it does have the detailing here once more. It looks pretty good. I love a good gray set. I feel like I don't need to get another gray activewear because I have too much. I have so much. It's just something with me and gray. I'm always getting gray activewear. It's just like too much now. Like I need to be stopped. Because this one is pretty simple. I have a bra that looks like this already, a sports bra, but because I'm getting the set, you know, I ended up getting this. But I really should have just gotten leggings, you know, which I really love the leggings. Everything again is very form-fitting. It is, you know, stretchy. You can move freely. The material is very, very thick, and I love that. So I don't really have much more to say because, as I say, with all of them, the quality is very similar. I mean, it's coming from the one brand, even though, you know, you have variety with different styles and stuff like that. For the most part, all of them is like the material feels very durable, and I love that. And ultimately, that's why I got them. So let me know what you guys think about this one as well. Let me know your ratings in the comment section, and I'll be sure to I'll try my best to put the details on these, like links and stuff, in my description box so you guys can check that out and get them if you're interested. I always get too many questions on my activewear, like my clothes overall, but like on my activewear. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Let me know where you want my next haul to be from, like which company I should try out their clothes for my next haul. Comment it down below, and also other video ideas as well. As usual, you guys know I'm always taking notes, so go ahead and do that. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and also check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video.